We finna do an update in the kitchen, and this is actually the before. Because I told you we're taking you on another journey with us. And we are actually putting in mirror backsplash all the way over. We're adding some more fresh paint. We're taking out this wall here. The blue is going, and you're gonna see we're getting ready to springerize the kitchen and the dining room area. So you guys, now for this initial video, we are going to be doing some painting. And if you know your girl, say hey TT. Hey. So I have my handy dandy helper, and we're just changing things out, getting ready to do another overhaul, or almost a full home makeover. And I'm going to show you guys how to do this on a budget. We're going to have to clear out the space. Now we're going to do this backsplash first, I said, along with painting. And I got my idea on something else for the facing of the bar here. And if you know me, you know me. Tell me what color you think I'm going with. But we're going to keep it, I'm staying neutral. Leave me that in the comments, you guys. So with that being said, it's time for me in my handy dandy hamper, Miss TT. It's time for us to get these projects started. Alright, family. The kitchen makeover is getting ready to commence. We've poured out the contact paper here. We're going to do another coat of, and you guys, this was white, but it wasn't pure white. So we're coming back with pure white. We've emptied the kitchen. And we're going to do another stark white. And as you can see, I've tested the white here. And you can see here, we're getting rid of the blue altogether. I'm going to actually keep the space neutral. So we're gonna start painting, and I think we're going to paint this side here first, you guys, but we're gonna paint this as well. Now what I'm doing is, here where I still have my paneling, I am painting in the paneling lines so that when I get ready to paint, I don't have that brown bleeding through in the lines. So we're going to just knock out the paneling lines, and we're just going to go all the way over because I'm getting assistance with them painting the top of the ceiling so that I don't have to stand up as much, and they don't want to be on camera. So with that being said, I'm just going to jump here and let them finish that, you guys. Hey, I'm gonna need you to change these for white for me on the sockets and the plugs. This is what we're looking like so far. We haven't done any of this side. And once we finish, you guys, because I don't know if you can tell, this white is different from this white. So once we finish, we're going to have to redo all of these, which that was the original plan anyway. But I was hoping to get a couple extra days to do this project and jump into the bathroom. But we're just going to finish, and then we'll come back and do all of this. Alright, you guys, look at there, and I don't know if you can tell, but you should be able to tell here that there are two different whites. And we are now working on this side, you guys. As you can see, we got to add another coat, and this is what we're looking like. We are going to be putting up new backsplash as well, but we're going to actually maybe do that in another video. I don't know how we're going to put this video together, you guys, but we're finna do another coat here. And once we do the other coat, we'll kind of have everything done with the exceptions of actually the counters. And I got to do another coat here. So we're going to just finish off getting this kitchen makeover done. It is another day, and we're going to be up and at it again. We've already gotten breakfast, and we're getting ready to finish out the space. Now, these walls here looks great, and gotta fix my paneling here, but we got that. We gotta add more paint in here, and I don't know if you can tell, but I told you last night, you guys, that the paint was totally different, and we did put just one light coat of paint on the cabinets, and I don't know if you're gonna be able to see the difference between the top cabinets and the bottom cabinets, but they are, the top still, like the walls, is actually almost a pure white, and this is on the bottom here is like a beige cream. We did add it here on the top. Now we're going to finish off the top cabinets with this final coat. So what we have left to do here this morning, you guys, is, and you're not, they're going to probably jump in. They're going to repaint the whole entire ceiling as well. So I'm going to step out when they do that. But what we're going to do first is we're going to add another coat of paint to all of the top cabinets and the bottom cabinets as well.